I choose the junior high school laboratory because it excites me the most. I am excited because as you can see in the video, there is too many laboratory equipments here, and I think that this laboratory is the most awesome. As you can see, me and my classmates are in the same laboratory because we have the same choice. I think that I can get laboratory skills and experimenting skills in this laboratory that I can use someday as a policeman or other law enforcement agency. I think that this lab can help me to establish and to improve my skills. So this is my blog. I am Miguel B. Macalinaw from 1CRB01. This is my junior high school laboratory blog. Thank you for watching.